Hi, I'm Ola Backpacker and this is San Cristobal. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Stu, traveling around the world for a year, backpacking around Central America at the moment, currently in Mexico, and we are in, to give its full title, San Cristobal de las Casas. You probably noticed if you've been watching these videos before, I'm wearing a hoodie because we're high in the mountains and it's cold. This has been stuck at the bottom of my backpack for the last 3 months and I've had to dig it out just to keep warm in this town. So we arrived here, me and the travel buddy, 2 days ago, and it was a 17-hour journey from Puerto Escondido, and to keep this story short, it went badly wrong. Apart from the 17-hour journey, we arrived in a hostel that was not up to a backpacker standard. In fact, out of the 10 years I've been backpacking, it's the only hostel I've actually walked out on and we found another place. I will be covering hostels and what to look for when you're backpacking in a future YouTube video. For now, I'm just going to show you the hostel that we found just by walking past it. So today is all about getting out and about. The town's famous for its graffiti art, so I'm going to go around and see as much of the graffiti art as I can. Then the Indigenous people have got their own market, which is meant to be amazing. So I'm going to have a look around there. And then tomorrow morning is going to be a view of the city from the highest point, which is a local church, which is meant to be stunning. So graffiti first. Let's go. So that's the graffiti tour done. Now heading up to the church at the top of the stairs. Time to climb them stairs. So it's been a fun-packed time so far, and we're going to be here for another couple of days, and there's still so much to see. So check in for the next video, and you'll see so much more of this place. But in the meantime, if you like this video, press like. If you want to subscribe, press subscribe. And if you know anyone that wants to go backpacking, see Mexico, share this with them. And until next time, bye-bye.
Yeah.